What's up, guys? Anthony Super Service. Levi's knocking out a quick job here. Cleaning out the coolant pump. Look at him. Swabbing the deck. We got this truck. Actually, I've made videos of this truck, guys. This is oh, he took the stickers off. This is from a shop up north. It's studded with blown head gaskets. It's studded. You can see it right there. Studded with blown head gaskets about 4 years ago. Put a coolant pump in it. Too much pressure on the coolant pump, so the coolant pump's leaking. So we're gonna do a coolant pump. The belt was squeaking. Go figure, it's leaking coolant on it. So we're gonna go ahead and put a gator back belt on it and get it done. Actually, Levi's getting it done. Need a damn battery cable. So coolant pump, oil change. Oil was horrible. This is Billy's truck. That means that you went too long between oil changes. Oh wait. Oh no, that means you got the wrong damn oil filter. Quit using this junk. Made in Korea, but you knows, STP. And look, it's sucking down, it's getting all small. Yeah, that's oil's not that dirty. So junk freaking oil filter. Use Motorcraft. Motorcrafts don't do that. So, okay, that's it. Coolant pump's leaking. Junk ass oil filters. Junk oil filters. And coolant pump and belt. That's it. All right, guys. Have a good day.